Alright, as always, thank you guys for watching. If it's your first time to the channel, make sure say hit the subscribe button. No! Subscribe! Your son now go feel no way. You can make on later.
You can't feel no way. If you say my man I had and me run things yourself. And any man me care, I have to respect them.
You have your own room, let's go.
You have your own room, and I can't sleep with my son. Watch out, mind your job. David.
What, boy?
Meet Charlie, but I call him Charles. So you can call him Charles, yeah?
Man, what going to look at General?
What going?
Really good. Okay, alright. Let's nice.
Anyway, you can sleep in another room around here, sir.
I feel room there?
Yeah, then I must my room I go sleep here.
Alright, so I'll put them back in front there.
Well, put them in bag. Anyway, in this area.
How old are
Your stepfather.
you? Mean stepfather?
My man, you might come live here so with me and you.
You mean live here, sir?
Javi,
Yes.
you see him like how me did there with your papa and get you?
Yeah.
Uncle Chu, me not have no picnic for Charles. Me and him are go live together, but me and your pa live. How happen?
I'm not saying nothing, but you just have
You not
to
even
movie.
wait till the man gone out the door somewhere. You just have question if he ain't going things.
Of course, I have a question.
In front of him, right side of him, just now. Just...
Mommy. So we are making a movie. So,
Javi, listen this now. You're 17-year-old.
yeah.
You is my son.
Yes.
I cannot sleep with you. I want little piece of work me a grown and I do. Me need somebody to support you and myself.
So we have
bills to pay.
Mommy, you have to bring up that. So we have question that for.
Question about Charles. Somebody tell you.
Yes, we don't know who.
Yeah, but me have to say your stepfather and you're the camera.
They can't just say my stepfather.
We don't like to close and take out our bags still and pack up in one jar.
See, just say just put them or left them on the bed when me done, me come pack them up for you. Me fold them up.
Alright.
Yeah. So anyway,
So how long you must stay?
at here so I'm gonna live. We yard. Javi, you have your own room. Why you
But-
make somebody come here to bother you? You not go in your room, you know?
Alright. Me not.
And let me tell you something.
Me.
This is the first time you come here, so the first time you didn't meet
Yes,
him.
but
But
so
let me
you
tell
know
you
the
something.
Can
You go have respect.
what do you want to show you something here?
Okay. Some come.
Alright, big up yourself. You hear the General?
We have.
Yo, bad boy.
Yo, my name Joffy.
Yeah, alright, Javi. Same plate there. Want you wash them, come you want to cook some food, in?
You know, say the plate where we use this morning, wash you up. And the pot them where you use other night.
So hold on, let me understand what you're trying to say.
What me I try to say is a plate I use the plate them. But I ain't nothing since this morning. And you come and cook and use the plate them.
Alright, you have one. Come here, me come off a little bit too nice when I tell you say, me ask if you wash it with them. Me I tell you say, the plate them where in I sink, when me use, when you wash them, come here cook some food, so your mother can't get it for eat. See? So, wash up plate them. What you say?
Yeah, them father. You can't tell me Say if you go and wash the plate them. You use the plate them, don't it?
So what
No,
are
ask me, ask. I use the plate them.
well, you think so me no know say me and your father? And yes, I mean use them, so what that supposed to mean? What you trying to say?
It means that you for wash them. You know correct. You know decent if you say, alright, man, I wash the plate them myself.
Alright, but see, I go on like you're a big man in or something, you know.
Me not try to be disrespectful, me just to be honest.
So what you can't tap what you do?
I see me a study for.
Oh, alright, so you're a bad man, you're a big man. Candy! Forward, my baby, forward. Cause it look like your son will get out on, you know. Forward, man. Hurry up, my baby, man. I want to run the pot, you know. You see me? I want to cook some food. Forward.
Boy, I'm tired. Batman. Where going?
You know what I know, say, I tell the little youths if you wash up plate them. And the man will make me know, say, he now wash a plate them, me and his father. This and that, and I mean, I'm out of plate and him wash plate this morning. You need to drop that little youth, you know, Candy. Come like you boy are smelling arm, you know.
Javi,
Yes, man.
why you so disrespectful?
How many disrespectful?
Why you do that? Why make you talk to the man so you're the man of size? Are your stepfather? You're supposed to have manners, you don't have no manners, you know?
All me say is that I him use it plate the way they I see.
Shut up your mouth. See, you're gone too far. Whether him use it or not, you're supposed to wash up the plate them. One thing tell if you wash up the plate them.
How that makes sense?
You see me talk about Candy, you say, look at you, a back answer you. A back answer, you know.
Oi, put on your book.
So I study me, I study.
Give me a book. So I'm gonna wash up the plate them
How
and
that
don't
makes
break up
sense?
the yard too. You don't have no manners. Get up.
Somebody tell us me I go study
Get up.
first, then me I
You don't
wake
have
up.
no manners. Me don't want to hear nothing from you. Just get up. Javi, get up. Okay, such one of your father. Watch you. So you ready if you come beat me after? You smell your arm for you. Later we talk later.
See me talk about. Look at you not have the manners.
See no water in the house.
Go on a pipe.
So I'm really going
Me no care. Go on one pipe. They don't road down there so you're big enough. You're 17-year-old. Go on down there go catch water and come wash up your dirty plate them. And your dirty khaki clothes and your white clothes and when you left from that day go up on your pooper, you go wash them. Top wash clothes see you. You're a big boy now. You know no manners.
Candy, you see me talk about. Me nah go stand there and making disrespect me to you. Now have no manners, you know. You need to dry him up. You need to dry him up, man.
Wait till you come back. If you think say every man when make you come here, you go make them come out here like a you responsive host. Watch me here. Wait till you come back, Javi. Wait. Me sorry about that. Sorry about what happened. But me never know saying that behave them kind of way there. God no. You see next time you tell him to wash up the plate them and he don't want to wash them whether he use it or not. No afraid to take your hand back and give him 2 out of 5. Box him. Make him go complain to him papa me see what him papa can do to me. Me no care. Him too out harder.
Oh, babe, don't worry about him. I'm making you run under pressure. Come in. Come see it's salad from my child. Run under pressure.
Too out harder man.
But
I'm supposed to get more money than this, you know.
he say if you call him.
Okay.
You never tell me how much you call it.
Alright.
Mommy, you know someone want to talk to you about something?
Go ahead now. Yeah, listen.
Want to talk to you about Charlie.
What about Charlie?
You know, say, I don't understand why you're there with Charlie, to be honest.
Yeah?
I don't understand why you choose Charlie to be your boyfriend. Cause I don't like Charlie, you know. Charlie.
What you just said, Javi? You don't understand why I choose to do with Charlie?
You have to understand.
Explain and tell me what you mean, because I don't want to think you want
I
it.
don't like how he up. I don't like him. He just. I don't like how he stay. Like he don't do nothing around the house. He don't help you out with nothing. I don't understand why you do with him. I don't feel like I think he not treat you good.
Javi, You're my only son. Realize say I get big. So me understand, you know. I understand what you try to say to me. But listen to me now. I am my own big woman. I choose who I want to choose. If you don't understand the way there, me deal with who me want to deal with. You chat too much like your papa. That's why I left your pa. How comes you start think about Charlie this and Charlie that? You don't like Charlie. What Charlie do to you? Javi, talk to me. What Charlie do to you?
Me just explain.
When do to you? You
You know,
know say not take care of me. Oh, you know
you know, do nothing around the house. You know, help with.
do nothing around the house for true. Yes, that's true. But you in the house and you're a big boy. You're supposed to wash the plate them when Charlie cook. Wash up the plate them.
But when
And Charlie did tell us if he sweep up the yard, me come back the yard and sweep. Why you never sweep up the yard, Javi?
so and Charlie cook. Me not eat none of Charlie food. Me not eat from Charlie. A Charlie cook the food and left the plate them. And him supposed to wash up plate them.
And me provide the food. So if Charlie cookie, you can wash up the plate them. Listen to me. Charlie is a big man. And your stepfather. You must have respect to him and manners. And anyhow, Javi, listen to me. Look when me talk to you. Me's your mother. And me no want you go out the road, go listen to what your friend them a say and upon disrespect your stepfather. Let me tell you something. You see if Charlie tell us if he sweep up your yard, sweep it up. No ask no question, just sweep up it. If Charlie cook and name off the food and no give you none, that don't mean say you no fi wash the plate. Wash them up. You a little boy, wash them up. Wait, me notice from the other day, you know. You start smelling harm now. You grow feather. So you feel say you're a big man. You feel say you're a ton man now. Eh? You're still a child. You're still little pitney. You're still a child. You're not adult.
You know, say, mommy, you know, say Charlie can't cook. I know say think he can't cook, but he can't cook. I swear, he can't cook, mommy. Me dead serious, man. Me dead serious. He can't cook. When me eating food one time, food don't taste good. Food, it don't taste good. I'm like, every time I'm carrying friend around the house, and I go for party every night. That don't make no sense. That's why I'm not even eat from him. Because he can't cook, his food don't taste good. Tastes like real garbage.
You ever eat when Charlie cook it?
Yes, but it once and it tastes horrible. Tastes like some
So why
homeless person cook.
why you
Garbage.
cook for yourself? You're a big boy, you know. You're no man.
Me I didn't know if you
You
cook.
reach the age where you can cook now.
Me I didn't know if you cook. More, me no want cook nothing.
You know what? You look like you have a big problem with Charlie. You look like you have a problem with Charlie. You understand what I say? I need you to stop from going like I say, you don't want to have no manners for your stepfather. Javi, look at me good. You think you can do with me? Use my son. Go on in, man. Go on in, you know no manners. And look at you two, I come tell me about Charlie now and this and Charlie do that day. Look I'm bright now, you're brighty.
Hi, auntie.
Hey, what's going on? Long time I not see you. No?
Yeah, me know it's a long time since me not see you either.
Why? Look how you get big.
Right now, me just stay up here for a little while. I'm supposed to go down soon, but ever since my mother get one new man, she a treat me one different way. Her man want me to do everything in the house.
Oh, then
Everything.
really them something you go on up here, so? Well, it sound like I need to talk to my sister.
No, not say nothing to her.
What you mean not say nothing to her?
I don't want to say nothing to her, because I love my mother, but
You sure say I know you up here and misbehave yourself?
no, I not misbehave myself, auntie.
So that's why you don't want me say nothing to her, not true?
No, because my mother I treat me one different way. Like he might put him over me.
Oh, okay then. Well, if you say me not fi say nothing to her, then me can't do nothing else about it. But make sure say up here behave yourself.
Yes, I behave myself.
I'll do what your stepfather, you still need to have manners and
Yes,
You know?
may I have
So them not
respect.
have nothing bad to say about you at the end of the day.
Yes, auntie.
So what you plan to do about it?
Me just continue study and try to do what I need to do.
Well, all the best doing that, but just behave yourself and have manners to them.
Yes, auntie.
No
I go to
ways.
see you though.
Yeah, man, not a problem. And you need to come check me more often. A long time I no see
Yes,
you.
auntie. Yes, auntie.
Look,
May I
look how
see?
you grow out of sight.
Yes, auntie.
But anyways, take care. Have to run.
Okay,
Yeah.
auntie. May I call her?
All right.
Daddy, want to talk to you about something. You know what me see when I met auntie them today?
Hmm? Who then? Which
This
one?
morning. My youngest one.
What I said to him?
Yeah,
Oh, she
auntie.
look. She still looks slim?
Yes.
Yeah, man. She
Yeah,
not have no.
she not eat no eat no. Yeah, auntie Jerry like.
Oh, rough.
Yeah.
Rough.
But me say something to her today.
Mm.
And me think say me fi say it to you too. You know, so me don't like the new man where movie they with Charlie or Charles, whatever his name.
Mm.
I don't like him to be
So, get
honest.
really like, what's up? Why you feel like you don't feel like him? What happened with this?
Because one, he not treat mommy good, not at all. Two, you know, do nothing around our house. You know, do nothing at all. He come like he live in our house, but he not do nothing. Three,
Mm-hmm.
he might come boss me around like my servant. He might tell me how fi. Sometimes me not even eat nothing in our house, daddy. I'm not say me I starve myself. Me just I say sometimes me not even feel like fi eat nothing.
So when you say, hold on. So when you say my boss, you what do you mean? Like him,
Like if he
him a
cook,
bully you, him a rush you, what?
he might tell me to do things like him and you, like him and my father. Like 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 him a, like if he cook,
Mm-hmm.
he might come tell me say me fi wash up fi him plate there. Me
Like,
not say me no fi wash up nothing, but thing is
mm-hmm.
fi why it make sense me I go wash up fi him plate them. Even I no self respect for say I him go wash the plate them.
All right, you are going now. See, come here, hear you out, and me understand where you come from. Cause you're my son. I mean, know your reason, I know you think, I mean, know your, you know what I mean? Sometimes you don't really, you know what I mean, no bad to people, but at the
Yeah.
same time, you want discipline and all this thing. But
Yeah.
you know, you have to understand, see, your mother take him up as a part of your life.
Yeah.
And you are already a part of your life.
Mhm.
So what you have to understand now, say, you have to, not say, disrespect him when he says certain thing. Understand, say, him still a try to play a father figure to you. He never ever be a father, because me gonna be a father forever. But don't be so hard on him. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
But me now gonna tell yourself to make him bully you and rush you up and treat you bad.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So you have to give respect to the both of them, love them up, and you know what I mean? Just somebody take it to the area where me know you will take it go. You understand? Give them some time and see what happens.
Yeah, yeah.
See? So,
Yeah.
so please listen to me, my son. You know, say when me tell you a thing, me tell you for your best interest.
Yeah.
Me not tell you for take nothing from you. You feel belittled, and me
Yeah.
not listen to you. I have to give you a good advice, and the advice is give them respect.
Alright.
You understand what I say? But if certain things progress, you know how to check. Me I got always do it for you.
Alright.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So know yourself and think about them, man. 'Cause if you stress about them, you know, and forget about your schoolwork, you know, it's like you waste your time on them.
Mm-hmm.
Your mother love you. Make sure your mother love you.
Yeah.
The last time you tell me say you want an iPhone. See it? You say you want a phone like what me have.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna give it to you, not true?
Mm-hmm.
So do what you want to do. Wait, say a chain I want this time?
Eh?
I want to set a chain, I want gold chain.
What I go shade?
Oh yes, sir. Just do what you have to do, man. I'm
Alright.
gonna do what I have to do.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, you're my son and I'm love you regardless of anything.
Yeah,
I'm gonna do
man,
anything for you, man. Yeah. My boy and my boy.
Yeah.
Alright, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, go on.
But there. So I just sit down around my yard kind of bored still because my man gone out or gone look at work. Yeah.
You finally get up, go look work.
But anyway, come on for that. You just up in my business so I don't me your
Me your
sister.
sister.
You
What's
know
up
meat
in
in
your
your
business?
fridge can come on go
Go
cook
beg your
food.
man.
You
Me
know,
nah
he
mind
gonna
you.
look work, you know, hand on someone.
Me
If
not
you
have no meat.
have cook some food before you come because I go hungry.
If you want 2 tin mackerel, that's all me having.
No, I'm not give my man no tin mackerel, but you brighty.
As your man chest high, then go find steak
No,
and
why
give him.
you so that me broke him in?
A fool no problem that. You look put your basket where you can't reach too much.
Worry yourself. Me go get something game for eat later.
So, as me say, what kind of breeze blow you up here? You don't normally come so you know.
Me come ask if you look like you're deaf and you just answer me. Me ask if you have no meat in your fridge, can you give me come on.
And that's why you come up here. You that call me. What bring you up here?
My phone dead, so me have to walk.
Your story change. Me know when sitting there on your chest, you know what happened. Talk to me.
Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
Javi. You can talk to Javi for me, please.
Talk to Javi.
They know your nephew.
I'm in nephew, but why me fi talk to Javi?
You
What
can
happened?
talk to Javi, man, because the one little man who me care in the house, Javi now have no manners to him. Me no know if you worry easily. Every minute, Charles have to complain to me. Javi na no manners, he na no respect. Until if you wash plate, you know, and wash it. Me no know why problem. Me can't bother you, man. You said him go game.
The Javi with me, you know. But Javi a quiet picking so why me need to talk to Javi? You sure no you have trouble Javi down there?
Me? Why would I do such a thing like that?
But Javi no normally give problem, so where the problem be now?
He ain't just na no manners and him a disrespect me, man, and me don't like it.
Alright, well,
Come
listen
to
up.
think about
Can't
it,
you
you
say
know,
that?
Javi did mention something like that to me. So yeah, treat him bad through you get man. Can you fit up in or you one boy picking? You can't put man over your pick. Cause the end of the day when man gone left
Me a
and your
listen.
pick did it. But you feel listen, me know, so yeah,
Me a
listen.
listen. Go and talk.
You feel listen. You cannot put man over
Your
your
Javi
pick.
can't call me name to your fa.
No, I mean I need you to go bad up, Javi.
Me no body
You
mo.
no
Me
need
ask
to
you
bad
one
up,
question.
Javi.
Me and your sister. You dey tell me where Javi say me to talk to you. Why Javi can't call me name to you?
I mean,
Look,
nephew.
you can't have me in a yard and stay in there. You have to take it out and carry wear on yourself.
But it concern me a Javi auntie, and if you not treat him right, me I go step in.
Me not treat Javi right. Me.
You know things like this happening in Jamaica, you know. Uno as parents, when no find man, uno put them over uno picnic. And me now go stand aside and watch that happen.
So what you tell me say? What you tell me say me fi do?
Don't candy. Nobody get
Me
a
must make
it's a
sake of one
conversation.
picnic. Me and my man left. Before some send him in Papa yard.
Send who are which papa? You gotta take care of your
In
You nah do that.
Bounty me the chat.
Which one I Bunty? Bunty can't take care of picnic?
Alright. Don't worry yourself. Bounty original. Me and him used to there. I know your name. He can take care of him right now. You're a woman a breed.
But
Tell me no.
anyways, we not talk about Bunty, we are talk about Javi right now. You're treating the child bad and you need to do better as a mother. You operate like one of them Lego girls.
Javi no kind of way. Where me not supposed to treat him. If me man say if he wash the plate, he supposed to wash the plate. If he say go sweep up yard, if he go sweep up yard.
Well,
what you try to tell me?
me not
If you
say
disrespect me
me not
man.
say no about that. But how the man approach Javi.
How
It's your son.
how you approach him?
At the end of the day,
You act like you did it. Watch out.
the man talk to Javi like say,
You
he
know
not
say not
respect the
everything
picnic.
picnic can tell we is as so you go as so.
Javi wouldn't tell a lie.
Him know how to exaggerate. Him a professional panny. You see when Javi they tell you something, he know if he convince this a brain where you have. You can't say like, oi, when me talk to you done. Me not say him a liar. I mean, me not say we walk and tell like when people know. But remember me tell you see Javi, even though him a disrespect me one educated pitney, me understand him. He know how to put things together for your believing. So anytime he come and fear you are true because you are Javi auntie and he can call me name and me man name. Look you send him back on yard.
That is where you
Cause
go
me
wrong.
we fall out.
That's how you. Me not play if you fall out.
No, me we fall out and go me and sister because you cannot take up picnic things and I put me and sister.
We have to go fall out. We have to go fall out. Me believe say I'm very much convinced say you put man over your picnic at the end of it. Remember say you used to do it before, you know.
That person gonna chat too
You
much.
used to do it before. So what? It are the same thing. I repeat itself.
A different man this.
What different about him?
Me and that the man they didn't know what
Same
different
lazy man
word.
them you love take up.
No, me-
Butterfoot them.
this man too.
Awa.
You know, me
Awa.
come gami.
And what?
Look here. I this you ready for this, my man too.
But you not take up no sensible man, so why me not fi disrespect them?
Not do that, my man a trade man, he just can't get no work. He having tool them.
Just listen, man. You need to start deal with your son properly. And don't make me have to involve police in this thing, yeah.
Go and go involve police. Go on, cause me no scare a police.
Oh,
I'm afraid of them.
you think
and no
they're laugh?
police can come tell me how to deal
You
with
still
my
laugh
kid.
the pan
It's
me
my
face?
child.
You still laugh the on my face?
You say joke the pan for me? Wait, a police give me Javi?
You know, say
Or a bounty?
did you know that child abuse is a thing?
So me abuse me pitney?
Obviously.
You know what? Me come go me yard.
It
Yes,
better-
when you calm down,
It better you go on.
when you calm down, you can talk to me because you
on,
what you
go
want to say? No make no sense.
on.
This is you alright.
I know that. Make no harm to me never don't.
Yeah, you're too thin mackerel them, you're too bright too.
You better come and take it before hungry kill you down there. Nobody take shame.
Hungry now go kill him before so me sell me front and mind me man.
And that you figure do.
That me I go do.
Hello. What? What? You know look here. I do what?
Me come to talk to you.
Yo, last time tell me say you want to come talk to me, you know. I 2 nights sleep hospital, you know.
Me need to talk to you. Me don't want hear nothing from you. Me just need to talk to you. Not about to talk to me over phone. Me come all to your gate because you leave your gate open so me the right to you do your matter of fact.
Me have camera, so me record everything what I do. Yeah? Javin, alright, now come. What Javin do now?
You need to talk to your son. You need to talk to him. Because he might talk to me man like I say man in my size. And that me come to talk to you about. Me no know when he come around here what you are tell him say. But you need to talk to him make him know say me. I'm mother and you ain't father and me not there no more.
Listen,
you understand me?
hold on.
And any man, me no, just say you all friend long time I say you staying like listen when me are talking you always want to tap me. But you need to tell Javi say, the man when me have, and me choose to have him. And me a big woman, me choose who me want there with. Me and you left long time.
So you come point up, me I come talk about me left long time. So we don't know that don't establish. So what you come talk about me and you for? When I Javi we are talk about.
You know say you make Javi a go answer?
What you mean say up until now you not give me time for talking. You know? You can't give me time for talking?
Talk.
Yes, give thanks. Selassie, Ja. Alright, you know. Me now come in a relationship. See, me in a business one do. But me feel like you don't understand Javi. And the way I talk about him is like say him a do something wrong and he's just growing up. So I understand why is it that you come on me yard now and say me for this and for that. When you need to control your relationship, your new man, but I don't know if him a please you or whatever the case may be, are you not happy or what, you know, and draw your locks the way you want to draw or something. But you need to stop come at me.
At least him a do what you never used to do.
Me now draw your locks, everything good. You understand me? I say, me don't need to draw your locks.
And a matter of fact, me don't want you debate upon my man. Me a talk about with Pitney where we have.
Alright, fine.
If my man tell Javi say, wash the plate them, why Javi can't wash the plate? Two know him cook. She not get no nice food.
Question. It's not what him saying, it's how him saying it. Because Javi is an idiot.
Then how you say?
So what? In yours go come and say, wash the plate. Wash the plate. No.
Me never did it.
My son is not like that. You understand me? I say, me know my son. My son is me, I am my son. See? So understand that. So the first thing you need to do is control fear dirty man down there and make him understand saying if you know if you talk to me Pitney. And guess what the thing is? You see, if my boy come up here and come talk about something else what Uno I do to my boy, as a matter of fact, the man who you introduce in a film boy life and I make him feel like he uncomfortable, me get a problem. You see when anything going on, so if anything to talk about him, either you do it or you call me in pa, by blood, by looks, by everything, and me will do it.
Bunty,
You understand?
what a way I talk, like I said, me, you, and Charles sleeping. Eh? You know what Charles said to Javi? You know what Charles has said to me?
You know?
You know what happened down on me yard?
You-
I see you take up a put on your head. You see you?
So who
a
you trust?
long
So who
time
you
you
trust?
stay so.
So who you trust? You trust Charles, you trust Javi. Who you trust?
What you mean?
What you mean say
I'm a man that, you know.
Okay.
I'm my man
So
that.
you put your man over a pitney.
I no
So
put me there.
if your man come to you and tell you say you're a pitney, jump off a roof, you gotta believe him. You have to know what kind of pitney you have. And trust the pitney for who the
You
pitney
talk
is.
to me like I say I know my child too. I mean,
You
know
know so
how
and
he
so.
stay.
You
Me
know
know
so and
Javi
so.
stay.
You know so and so
Me know
at all.
Javi stay.
You know him
Javi,
stay.
we just sit down and act like I said nothing and they watch out me and my man life and go tell him, Papa,
When last-
yo, dirty boy.
when last
And you
when-
make Javi stay, so you know?
When last you asked Javi
As
how
a
is
great
he?
man, I make him come back which part
When last you asked Javi how is he?
Me always ask Javi what
When
man him say me
last-
alright.
when-
So
alright,
if he say if everything alright, what me I go do?
When last you come in and talk to him like a mother to son?
Me not have no time for talk to him. Me
You
have
know,
no
time
work
to
to go. Me have no work to go. Me not
You
have
see
no
what
time
I
to
talk
talk
about?
to him.
So you see these things are why you need to fix with your blinking self. That's the reason why I'm glad to me left you. I'm not fact, I'm not busy who left who.
Yeah, that
But
day-
you just couldn't work.
Okay. So the other day, when me tell him say if he wash his school uniform and he white marina them, when we're underneath in uniform, are you tell him finna wash it? That's why he come down there come have attitude with me.
But-
Javi a pitney, not because he they grow up now and
See,
reach certain
you see,
age.
you
He's
see,
still
you
a
see.
child.
Yes, he's a child, but you have to grow him up. Hey, you think I want a 3-year-old we are talking about, I want a 5-year-old, one 10-year-old? What you talking about? The man, it's one more year and he's 18.
Me know say Javi
So what
is
that mean?
17.
Alright, so
but you they make Javi go on like I say my big man and they talk to me
No
certain
matter-
kind of way.
We are growing up our child in the way how it got better for him as a youth.
Enough
You
time
understand?
Javi come which part of there, I not even know say him come up there.
What
And
you
then he tell us, say tell me. Me no know say Javi come up there, me have to call him ask him which part in there.
If
Don't
first
ramp with
thing,
me.
where you there? Why him left and I'm not see you? Where you there?
What you talk about
I
that?
watch door now.
Why Javi never come tell us the other day when time he
We
left
have
his
a
school
front
uniform
door.
and in
We have
dirty
a
white
front-
t-shirt them down there?
Una
You fi give him soap, fi come give me wash it. So my man fi give me soap fi wash Javi clothes.
have
That's
a
right,
front door, una have a back door. Back door lock, and if him go through the front door and you always stand right there front door, what you talk about? You don't know saying come out? What you say? You're talking madness.
Still they make Javi a go on like
Me
he's
not-
innocent.
Listen to
Yeah.
me. I'm not saying my
And my
son.
pitney to you go on like I say I feel
I'm not saying-
and me live with. A long time me live for much years now. Fran Javi a baby. No you come go on like you want to come tell me about Javi.
Steve,
You
listen,
live with your
please.
woman and other rest of people we are not even feel. You come
I'm
look
not
here.
saying my son is perfect, right? My son sometimes have an anger problem, that's right? And me not say to you say perfect. But you have to understand, say, why the anger come up. Are you build up your anger and I mean, I want if you understand that.
Not sure if any argument. So if Charles tell Javi say go sweep up the yard, you know if he sweep it.
I'm not saying that. But Charles, if you know how he talk to Javi,
So Javi, this sound like the way you're dung in a Charles and Javi fi this and Javi fi that and Charles fi this and Charles fi that. It look like I said Javi I carry news to you.
Javi-
And I tell you say Charles doing this and Charles doing that.
Javi not can
What you mean say Charles you know how to talk to
But
Javi?
the day
Charles a
when
big
Javi-
man.
it
Javi
day-
a little boy. If you listen.
Listen, a day when Javi come to me and said, Charles, him not gonna melt like a chocolate. Yeah? Because my picture that I'm the first born. And him represent me.
Bunty,
I him.
you look like a warrior push.
Charles.
Charles a weeded. He will bust up your face. So that me I tell you.
Yeah,
Charles a weeded.
So
You
weed.
can't, what you do? Me come to
Weed.
you come and talk about people now, you're
A
going
weed
to talk
you
about
talk about.
this. What you gonna do?
Weeded.
What you gonna do, Charles?
Weeded.
You can't do my man nothing.
Yeah, I say, all right.
Like I say, I have some jealousy now after so much
Jealousy.
tears.
And I'm not man.
He hurt you because me go there with one different man. Let me tell you something. You need to talk to your son. Talk to Javi. Talk to him, because it look like I said, where you would tell Javi and the right thing. Understand me?
All right.
And if you don't talk to him, I'm seeing constantly the disrespect my man Charles. Remember say, me I go pack him up and send him come stay with me.
All right. Hold on. So what you really come for? You really come for arguing or you come for decipher?
Me not argue with you, but me know how you stand, how you turn from
So-
it. Devil
so-
was a boy. I
Make
tell
your
me
reason
if he
first.
deal with you.
Whole
Me have
neighbor know.
Me have to talk to your heart, make you whole district
Come
here
here, our
because
audience. Round of applause, people. Welcome to the show, the crazy show. Listen to me, I say. If you want a meeting with me and you and Javi, no problem, because we need to end this. Me talk to my son. And a matter of fact, we need we fit talk to free son, because if we put aside with differences. You understand me I say? And make
I know
this
you
work
just know that.
best.
You know how long you should have think about that. Eh? You know how long you should have think about that to make we talk to we son. Eh?
Me have a business card if you feel.
Business card.
So here, you have my number, and if push come to shove, just come here for the
Can't
meeting.
wait for Javi
Come
here.
here for the meeting, or we can go somewhere and have a meeting, sit down meeting.
I can't
It's simple.
you know so I can't wait for you reach 18.
You can't wait neither.
I'm tired to talk to you. The idiot.
You know, idiot there. Idiot there. Where I go?
Yo man, cause yo, me I tell us a piece of weed where you give me other day hot in the body, you know no more like it. Yeah man, me a police man. Yo bad boy, come here. Yo, come here. Come here man, come here me talk to you. Come here sir.
What you want?
You are going bad boy. Me your mother
My
done
name
the...
Javi. Remember my name?
Alright, Javi. Me your mother done there already, Zane? And you have to show me a little respect. Simple as that. You can't have step past me and you see me and my bridge in there, so all a reason. You know, say good evening, you know, say excuse me.
So I may say go you never see me in the house or when?
Why? Watch out, man. Respect.
Yo.
You!
Ah, you may a chat to.
What mean none of me a
Ah, you
chat?
may a chat to.
Brother, this I'm gonna response to your mother when night time come. If you respect him.
I don't care about all of that.
You don't care about all of that.
Right now, I come, you know, sister, I come back about the house to go and study with somebody.
You come like say one. Come. Take a job.
Man, slap.
Yeah man, give me a job for weed, man. Take a job.
Yeah, me slap that out of your head.
Why? You know hear the man talk to you. I just step papa. You're supposed to have respect for him. Come on, know I'm to you. Come like you see me in your harm. Yo, look at you. Let me tell you something. Your mother give me authority anytime kick you down, you know. Someone you feel like you can rail up and through, you feel like you're tall on me, you feel like you can style me. Yo, me, I'm a bad man friend right there, so, you know. So if you feel like you're ready, man, I can defend me, you know. Yeah, look for me. Slap you with a gun or anything, you know.
Boy, I see you kick me down.
You want to see me kick you down?
Yeah.
Kick him down.
Kick me down.
Yo, Candy.
Right.
Yeah, everybody say, why kick me down?
Javi. You tell me say your stepfather just look for you and tell us saying go kick it
I
up.
come back about
Me
that
and
house.
Becky right now say you tell him so first.
Ask my brethren right there, sir. A little you 3 foot big. In feel saying can't kick me down.
Yes, more kick.
Oi, when you hear big people attack, shut up your mouth.
Hey boy, you don't say a liar. You know see me and Charlie still and so and you just step past him and you didn't even say good evening and
Come in the house from morning. You don't see me already. Why me I say?
but it 2 hours turn up here so. Sit down here so and you just
Javi,
step past him and
walk
so.
me, I walk.
Javi,
This time man,
listen to me. You feel have manners to people. Imagine you're the pass and you see somebody big stand up and you're not even can say morning or evening. Or some grow you.
Somebody say morning this morning team.
I don't know about that. Me I talk about now. You feel have manners and respect. You can't take a little dirty style then.
by the rate of how you
Which
go.
style?
By the rate of how you go, if you not slow down, something might happen to you. No, not tell the truth. Not tell the truth, you know. Me nah go turn you with him, you know. Me nah go turn you with him.
Me not turn.
Is either him or him.
Hold on
Choose
there.
one of the man them. Which one?
Hold on. So, hold on there. So, you know, see me so? And your stepfather.
You keep on
I
that.
can't just imagine how you behave when me never there. Because if me stand up here saying they argue with him.
Me argue or me explain to you.
Explain.
You realize that?
What you mean when you say, so you're not fit on? And if you go on, whatever. What you talk about? I hear us.
Obviously.
Me know myself.
You know what? Me I go pack up your things and send you up your father.
Send him down there for true.
Me I go make you go your pooper. You hear me? Because me not go tolerate you and them the disrespectful way they to my man. It can't work. You hear me I tell you? And as for no one, me used to get 2 dumpling, 1 you go get. Me man I go get 3. You
You see,
out
I
order.
kick you out of the house.
Me not kick you out.
But you go down and find out still.
You kick out yourself because me not go take your disrespect them in here with me man. You out order me?
Nah, for really kick him out still, you can just talk to him because you say you go a picnic.
Obviously, you see, say, look, you not take no chat. You not take no chat, you know. Man, come out, man. Yo.
He can't stay with me because as far as me concerned, you know, look like say me and no man I go there sake of him.
Come in, Gibbs. Yo, look come on, you know.
Yo.
Just link me. We have a drink later, see? All right.
Candy.
Candy. Candy.
Yo, big man, Candy not there, you know.
You know important right that's right now. See? You know there right now. You know exist.
All me have say Candy not there.
No say that to me. Me no hear nothing from
Alright,
you.
she in her house.
Candy!
You must be an idiot.
Yo. I think so having me. I think so having me boss. Me come
No.
and me no come to you, sir. But it
Yo.
sound like you want a problem with me today. Are I treat too cool for you?
I know me not say nothing to you, no, brother.
So-
you move, you know, see, you move like a youth.
My youth.
Yeah, man, you move like a your son, man. You move like a your son. Because me just say simple little thing to you, and you go tell me this and that. I say Candy not there.
Yeah man. That's how we stay man. Like father, like son. Yeah?
Yeah, man, me see where you get in dirty attitude from.
Just trying to make it more dirtier. Cause I go sweet for you. Yes sir? Since you want an argument with me, me forward today. Me not come up to talk to you, you know, but obviously you want to have a conversation because you under one tree like a Aloysius.
Brother,
Eh? You Aloysius man?
you don't see a fool though.
Yeah man, call me fool. And if you say how much time I fling on the phone upon you, know, if I just say you want to take it.
You don't see I move like a fool though, my youth.
You move like a fool.
And it sound like a badness you want to put to me, you know. But guess what? It come
Yo,
like
yo my boy, what going? Yo, Javi. Yeah man, me there on this, I mean I can't do me a check right now. Yo, me soon call about my boy. That you say?
yeah, me see what my Candy left you.
He left me, and I mean, I know she left me. And me left her. Because she fool. And you know, birds have a feather flock together. And there you go. She a drunk and you a drunk too. Simple as that. You understand me I say? Say hold way hold, yes sir? And stay out of my way. That's all me I tell you. Me forward, me no forward to come talk to you. Obviously you want to talk to me, but what I don't know.
Brother, me not be a going like
Still in
a
your
talk, me
lane.
talk to you. I tell you say woman not there. You going like me in a things with you. Me in a things.
Yo, stay in your lane. Yes sir? Stay in your lane.
You a fool, man. Candy. Really? Yo, forward, come up here right now. I want to chat to you. Forward. Alright, me do what I do so on the grow stick tree. Alright.
This why you sit down underneath the tree for you and Javina sitting. How am?
Javi no come back there, friend. He left, he no come back there. When a dirty father come here, I call you. I'm a simple city man say, yo, you no die. The man take me hand. And now me my chat too. You know, come here to me.
Bunty come up here, sir?
Yeah, Bunty
So
come up
Bunty
here.
no know say enough to come on me yard. When come bout?
Probably he come out to come tell us say, true you put out Javi. He probably come here come in an argument with you.
And on road me put Javi pan. I send him to him papa. So me no know when come to me about like me and him in a things. Me not even want him call me phone. So through me block him and come on me yard. Look here man, you say if me did there, him know say me no play with him neither, you know. A little dirty dog knows say me no play with him.
Yo, right now, Candy, I stopping need to put to it, you know.
Me no want him come on me yard. Me go fence up me yard. Next time he turn out a gate and call him Brighty.
You don't get two dog put in a place cause if dog went there and couldn't just walk in like a year and live. I go on like
So
saying
me
I'm
not tell
pay
him
no
say me
bills.
not the year. Why say come me know say my hooligan for a long time, you know.
But just simple say to him, say, yo, big man, Candy not there.
Yeah man, I saw him stay. I saw him stay for a long time. That's why me have to left him. Everything me say in dung in a me throat. Me can't say nothing to him. You understand what me I say? All want put fight to me and he know say all when him big and look strong, he can't manage me. Me and him couldn't agree. That's why me have to left him. Now me send Javi gone to him. Him and Javi I same thing, you know. He come around and come on me yard when me not there here.
I'll just put a stop into it, cause right now, me no want him come go on like saying want things with me, you know. That me I tell
He
you.
can't nothing with you. Attack him attack.
Yeah, I know saying can't with me,
He
cause me
can't
have dogs,
nothing
them, you
with
know.
you. Come me we go look for him. If he got some me know when there.
Why?
I keep him son and yard. And stop stress me out and leave me and my man live comfortable.
Yo, Charles. Charles. Where you on?
Alright, payments.
There, man, around and me block me, so me there and me say me I come give you one link. You know. Everything good. Everything not good, you know. I'm here.
You want to say a little thing we go on with other day. With Javi and his mother when his mother send him go and his father go live. Like a man come on like he want in a vibes dog. I call Candy and I tell him simple things say, oh Candy not there. A man come like say he want cause big problem over it.
Brother, you're a big man, you know, man, and you're a man of yard, you know. You have to take control of your yard, you know. Anyway, there, even if you're a woman place and you there live as man, you have to take control of the place. You can't make them boy they come in the place and come go on like they want to come bad you. You're mad somebody? Brother, not because you're there with him baby mother making have authority if you come in and come disrespect you, you know.
Yo,
And
you
if
are
you want make me mash up in face,
Yo.
you know, man.
Don't worry, get yourself down on problem, man. Yo, let me machine what you have now. Simple thing, you know, man. I just go and I just making seats and I have, you know. I not have to do him nothing, I just show him some I have, you know. I can't get it for borrow.
Boy, I could have lineate still now, but boy, me don't want you get yourself in no problem.
Yo, me not go shoot him now, man. I just wild him up, you see me?
Brother, but you not do this. If you don't do him something, but I'm more quicker for linear. But if you not go, no, sir, waste of time that the man. If you not go do him nothing, where you go show him for?
Yo, may I bet you now, that's let me think, man.
Yeah, but what me I saying, if you not go do him nothing, where you go show him it for? A problem you want to put yourself in.
No, I just want to make you know so I have it. So if I nothing he can't step to me again.
You want to know say make him know say Avi, you shot him in the foot then.
Bro, just let me think if you let me no man.
Me make a get it still, because I rent them out, you know. Because I don't know things that not to go on there, so I have to just rent them out and like if a man want it for a day, one lousy 15,000 that then go mash a crime and care about me 15,000, come give me a care about my machine, come give me, you see me?
Alright, no say a word.
Yeah, that's how you go.
Yeah, baby, you don't know anything right man. Me Sunday, I can't forward and come link you like that. Yeah, man, you can't vex me like, hey, come on, honey. Yeah, man, the golden thing there, man. Yeah, well stuck. So here we are going now. Thursday, outside. Friday, Mike can go a thing.
Yo, big man.
Well, on, babe. I soon show the back here. Cause some alien just dropped from space. Alright. What going, sir? Yeah.
Yo, you are going now. Because I realize, say, you know, you feel like some soft soap. So you're coming in and me and my woman place and feel like, say, you can talk to me anyhow. But just want you to understand, say, I have links, but I have these things, and I have one. So that means that anytime you feel like, say, you can come go on, like you want to talk up your mouth, you know what will happen. See? So this is just a warning.
I'll tell you something, General. See, you have a gun, but you look like you're a fool because guess I know. If you're really a bad boy, bad boy in attack, bad boy can't do what I have to do.
So hold on, you tell me say I shoot you, I'm shoot you.
I don't want to tell you what you want to do what you have to do, because you come here to do something, so do what you have to do. May God control whatever journey you want to take it on.
You see,
you
you see fool like you don't talk up your mouth and dead when you no need for dead. You want like a bait and I come for me, come in my yard and go on like a chat up your mouth. That's why I have to reach just the way I reach, you know. And I shoot man, and I shoot you.
You're a fool, you know that though. But it's all good though. Remember where you start, you know. Alright? Just remember where you start.
Daddy,
Okay.
You see everything we just saw off, you know.
So hold on.
You know, say you need to get one gun and deal with the youth.
No man, yo, listen to me man. A big coward that. Normally if you have a thing like that and a mission for crush you and crush you, so you know say a coward. But me not, hey, me not tell you say something you for doing it. Me that fly by man, me will take you right. You understand me I say? Just don't put yourself in a situation now who are gonna make the situation worse.
Alright.
You understand me I say? Yo, look for me and talk to you.
Me here.
Yo, look for me and talk to you more and know say me connect. And you understand me I say? Me don't want this a reach no further than yes sir. Make me take you right. I fool that.
Alright.
You know, so Charlie don't know sense already. You understand me? I say? And him live with a fool and them just fool together. You understand me? I say? Don't be a fool with them.
Yeah.
Don't join for them foolishness. So understand this, my son. See? Charlie, even though I'm an idiot and all these things, we know that we established that already. See? I know want you still have respect for them, regardless. You see your mother, one mother you have. You can't get no more mother. Any mother that step on all these things. See? You have to have respect for your mother just the same way. And giving him respect, meaning say you give her respect. You understand me? I say, I not tell you say, if you make him bully you, that is where you call me and me take the situation in a hand. You understand me? I say?
Yeah.
So left him alone, left it alone, just give them respect and do your school work. You hear me say? Alright. Go on in, man, and relax yourself, man.
Uncle. Uncle.
Auntie, you know.
Want to talk to you about something. Can I come here?
Alright.
Fuck, man. Something happened up on that the other day. My mother, man, pull gun upon him. Right in the yard.
Mm. Well, this I can solve the problem, you know.
What that? My new gun.
What them rent for one man, you know?
Mm. Alright, my uncle. I use it, solve the problem, and I carry back straight away. Yeah. Just that I will use it for.
Here we go. I can't bother come link you, hear? Me have one little family matter to sort out. Alright? So give me about hour and a half. If you call back in an hour and a half, just call me. Yeah? Yeah, honey. Alright.
Me have to bother up the boy Bunty. And show him me gonna make him know say me no ramp.
Brother, me tell you, say I shot him man knife foot, 'cause you can't carry gun go show people just so. I don't say you do it, brother. You will get yourself in a problem.
Yeah,
If
but
you
if
not-
you shot him, you get myself in a problem same way.
Yeah, but you better you shot him and left no witness.
Yo, I just say you go. But from me carry back, me I hope so still you never take it back so quick still, you know.
You must come in, son.
My son of candy son, no, brother.
Javi, come here. Yo. What the hell you do all ago?
You see, man, make money run me out of the house. You have put gun for you.
Javi, you can't do that, Javi.
Man deserve to dead.
Listen me, I say, man. You're not here, you know. That's why it's a problem. Me don't take care of it long time, and you have to make me fight my own battles, you know. You can't do them stuff that, Javi. It's a death road, man, you know. Give me this. Yo, you never there, sir. You hear me?
So where
You never there, sir. What's going on?
All right, thank you guys for watching. It's always a pleasure to create these wonderful content for you. But before we go further, I want to like a reason we don't know. Because it's important. When we do these movies, we like to make sure that we send a positive message to persons out there that are watching. This movie is a movie to showcase how a lot of times as individuals, when we are adults and we have kids, how things can become problematic in the sense of whether you be a female or you be a male and you're carrying a new person in your child's life. A lot of time, us as parents, we don't take the time out to really sit down and reason with the youth and make them understand what really take place. Instead, we left them for just think all sort of things. And sometimes as parents, we don't take the time out to understand. Say, yo, there's a lot going on in our child's mind. When a new person is introduced in our child's life, it is your duty as a parent to ensure, say, you try to create a bond between the child and that new person, because at the end of the day, it is their duty to ensure, say, them have a relationship with the child. It doesn't mean, say, the picnic have to be your best friend, but have some form of a relationship with him, making understand, say, you're not there to take over from him, or you're not did it if you take away love where in parent, the other side of parent have. You're just there to make the person happy. You know what I mean? I say, so do the right thing as parents and ensure, say, you sit down with your kids and you reason with them and you make them know what one. You know what I say? And don't be afraid if you have a one-on-one conversation with your child, because it doesn't necessarily mean, say, your child have to be your best friend, because it's your child. So the onus is on you as a parent to be the adult and sit down and reason with them and find out what going on in their mind. You know what I say? Because as I said, there's a lot going on in the kids nowadays mind, and you have to ensure, say, you play the role as a parent. But that's just my 2 cents. Let's get back to the reasoning. All right. So as I say, if it's your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you're a long time subscriber, make sure you share up the video. And then also, we now forget 1010. She's still sick. The last time I talked to her, a doctor she did go, and that was a few days ago. So she still have to the back and forth to doctor. And you don't know, so that cost. It's not cheap. She still wants to do surgery, so we still have to try to raise funds. It's a pity that it's been such a long time and nothing to get done yet, but we still have hope and we still have pray and we still have try hard. So continue to show support. The link will be provided in the description where you can contribute something to the GoFundMe. So you don't know. I don't see where we the shirt them already in some of the movies them, so we want to highlight the thing a little bit more so you guys can know about it. And I know that person's been reaching out to us and we've been sending them straight over to Dr. Jack. But no, the boss sent me some of the product them. So for persons who are interested in the product, we have them available. So the number, you can call directly to Dr. Jack, or you can message me on Instagram, Richard Brown Films. Let me tell you a little bit about what going with the tablet, what in the tablet them, in the buckle. All right, so this is the little canister where coming out. You have 8 tablets in it. $5,000 for the entire canister. So if you guys are interested, link me up. We can provide them to you. We can figure out how we get them to you. $5,000 for it. If you don't know what the product is all about, it's male enhancement. For like if you as a man you feel like you're not stay too long or you not have a firm erection, you don't know, no feel shame. Link me up. We have the product them and it's totally natural stuff. No nothing where you have to go worry about say, boy, you take care, you're gonna have heart attack and this, that. All natural. Just natural herbs and thing. And you don't know say me not gonna talk about a product that I never used before. So you don't know say me use it before and it work. So we can tell about it. You see me? So link me up. We'll make some arrangement and you guys can get it on Instagram, Richard Brown Films on Instagram, or you can call Dr. Jack. So the telephone number, you can see it? You can see it?
My name is Jason, I'm a recording artist and everything. Yeah, we're there up on the ground at try, but I don't know the music kind of rough. Yeah, but we're still optimistic on the journey. I don't know with the help of Richard Brown, God, firstly, I don't know. We know so we have to reach somewhere one day. So we just need people them to come on board. We just need the masses them to come on board and support the movement because shit good music. So I say.
Alright, so tell them where them can find you.
Yeah man. All digital platform, J Tsunami.
Spell it out for them so they can find it.
Yeah, the J D-R-A-E. Yeah, man, and the Tsunami without a T. Tsunami, S-U-N-A-M-I. Yeah, man, on IG, that J underscore Tsunami underscore music. The rest of them, J Tsunami.
Alright, so give them a freestyle if you can fast.
So more time I feel like my last, I'm there for my last, just spend off my last change. I wonder when life I go rearrange, boom.